Howdy, Chris here at ZiZZO Bikes, and today we'll be showing you how to install the kickstand and the seat post on this Liberte. If you watched the prior video, I just showed you how to unbox it. Unpackaging the Liberte, you do have to install the kickstand and not really install it, but insert the seat post. For the kickstand, you will need a 8mm Allen wrench. Kind of looks like that. And for the seat posts, you will need no tools, just your hands. So the bike doesn't have a kickstand, and you will need a good friend to hold the bike. But if you don't have any friends, I would suggest you just mount. I would put it up against a wall, or in this case, find something to hold it, just like that. I guess I do need a friend. Ben, can you hold the bike for me, please? But you know what I'm saying. If you don't have anyone to hold the bike up, just prop it up against a wall so you can work on the kickstand. Let's go ahead and work on the kickstand first. So you would just line up the holes and the bolt, and I like to use my hands first. Get my hands nice and not dirty. It's clean, but you know, I like to use my hands. And when I can't use my hands anymore, I take my tool.
So small.
It is, Sandy. Yeah, it's very small. And
can I ride this kind small?
oh yeah, anyone can ride it. Yeah, you want to try this weekend?
I can handle this kind.
Yeah. And looks like it's there nice and tight, and we'll just test it. There you go. Now it could be put up on a kickstand. And then second thing we'll do is insert the seat post. As you can see, the quick release is open. And just slide the seat post. And to close the seat post, you just close it just like that. And then there you go, installing the kickstand and the seat post.